Oh, I'm gonna get down on this floor and I'm not gonna be able to get back up. Okay, just do it on that side of the camera. I'm not that type of channel. Hi there, it's Maggie. Grammy with a hammer. No grandkids. I'm gonna make stupid smirks because my wife is doing a towel dance on the other side. We're in our master bathroom, and about 4 years ago, we redid this whole bathroom, and part of it was we took out a linen closet over here. We took out the wall thingy that was here, and we made it open and airy. Actually, my dad really did. I was his gopher. But anyway, so the biggest issue we had is because it wasn't this type of shower before, the angles to the floor, we've like tried different things to try to help. But anyways, the grout is cracking. So the grout was cracking. I got little smidgens here, there, and there. So I got this kit on Amazon. It is a Tula, I don't know. It's that. I'll include a picture of it. So it came with everything you're supposed to need to repair your grout. So tonight is Friday night after work, so this is gonna be a weekend project because, you know, it's grout. So tonight what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go through and try to like make sure there's no like crispy parts, get it all cleared up. Also, I've got that, I don't know if you can see it back here, but I've got that like grout tape from Temu. I have that grout tape from Temu, so I want to rip that up because a lot of times that will hold moisture too. So I want to make sure I rub down the grout, take off the grout tape, and then I'm going to put fans on this overnight to dry so that tomorrow when I come back to you, that will be all drying, okay? So I'm going to bring the camera closer. Kitten. Okay, so you can see here, there's a hole in the grout. I can't get anything accomplished with this kitten in here. Would you all just rather have a video of watching the kitten fighting with their grout tools? So this is what I'm going to be doing. I want to get rid of any of the loose grout. Okay. And while I know this is riveting filming cinematic work, I'm not going to have you sit here and watch me tear up grout for the next, I'm hoping not hours. So I'll be back in the morning when we start the next step. Okay, good morning, I'm back. Oh, I should show you. I'm back, good morning. Okay. Like you really need to see that. Okay, see these little holes here? And then we got these little crack divots. My thought is we're gonna go over them, and the direction says to just go right try over, and I picked the gray. I had a couple different color choices, but I picked the gray. So like that. And then you take this tool they gave with it, smooth it out. That looks pretty good. And then I got some paper towels. Here we go. We're going to do this everywhere. Okay? Start with those 3 rows. And they said that you can go back over it in like 2 hours. They said after you get it cleaned up, wait like 2 hours, and then you can do another coat if you need to. So we don't want to do it too heavy. But that's what I thought. I'm not going to go too heavy, but it's going to look so much nicer too, because I used like this tan grout when we did it the first time, and I thought it would match, and I just don't think it matches. Then each time I've tried to repair it or patch it, it's been a different color. Okay, so I'm going to keep doing this, and I'll check in with you as I go along. Okay? Okay. So then what I do is I right now I'm smushing it in all the cracks and crevices. Then I go over. Look at that. And take this tool and then just shave it down. Getting there. Getting there. Okay, I'm going to keep on going. Okay, so this is after doing it. I got lots of spots that need to be cleaned up now, but I think overall it came out really nice, right? And if you're looking at this ugly spot, I'm going to do that with white. That's why that one's not done yet. I'm going to do the gray first. Looks good, right? Now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna clean it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I don't know if this is the most flattering view, but it's cold out. I don't want to hear it. It's cold for Florida. Okay, so I finished grouting it, and I put my caulking tape around it, and I also did the white grout around my rocks. So I think it came out pretty good. Could probably use one more scrubbing. Grout is a pain in the butt, especially when you're messy like me. But overall, I'm really impressed with how easy it actually was to use. It went on, it was a weekend project. I put sealer on top of it. It didn't say you had to use the grout sealer, but I always like to just in case. And I know you see the caulking tape, you're like, why? We have very minerally water, even with filtration and everything. It stains and it gets grubby looking. So I find with the silicone tape, I can just take it off every month and replace it. And you're like, that's expensive. I get it on Temu, it's like $3 a roll. And it really does just make the shower look fresh. And then this grout wasn't that expensive. And it was pretty easy to use. So I'm thinking if I need to do this like every 6 months, that wouldn't be terrible. Because it looks good. I'm thinking I may get another tube of it and do my wall grout. So, but anyways, thank you for watching. And I hope this was helpful advice on this grout from Amazon. Talk to you later. Bye.